Hello guys, welcome to Mixing Tips with Mando Johnson. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can drop it down below. Today I'll be talking about something that took me a very long time before I discovered it, and it's a very simple thing. The difference between a pan knob and a balance knob. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So I'll be importing guitars from another project. I have a tutorial on this especially for Logic Pro users on how to do stuff like this. Okay, so after importing my guitars, they are stereo. I'm going to convert those tracks down to mono tracks. Why are my guitars stereo? I recorded with 3 sources. I had 2 mics and the line in. So after I merged them together, they were merged as stereo files. But then that's that. Now, first thing you should know is you find a pan knob on a mono track and a balance knob on a stereo track. Pan, mono, balance, stereo. That's how you find them. Now quickly, I'll just change this track to mono. In Logic, I just click that button there. When it becomes one circle, it becomes a mono track, so it will play back as a mono track. So just listen to this. Alright, so when I'm panning like this, I'm saying, okay, you go out of my left speaker. So I hope you're using headphones so you hear it clearly. Panning the other one to the right, you can clearly hear the sounds. There's one so distinct on the left and the other so distinct on the right. This is panning. I simply panned this audio. Can you hear the difference? Alright, so that is panning. Now I'm going to bounce these tracks, panned hard left and hard right, into one stereo track. Now I'm going to show you how balancing works. So I've bounced these 2 tracks together. We're going to have it's a stereo track now. Now when I play this track, you're going to hear 2 distinct guitars, one on the left, one on the right. This is the stereo track now. So when I use that knob, that pan knob also, now it's a balance knob. It tries to balance out what is on the left channel and what is on the right channel. Now I'm turning it to the left and you can clearly hear the left guitar. You can faintly hear the other guitar sounding on the right. This is trying to create a balance between the left guitar and the right guitar. Now when I take it to the other side, you hear the other guitar. It is balancing between what is on the left and what is on the right. Simple, that is how the balance knob works. Now I'm going to play this mono track. You see, when I bring it to the right, you see it pans everything hard right. I bring it to the center, it's in the center, but then as different from the balance knob. So I hope you've learned something, that there's a difference between your pan knob and the balance knob. Your pan knob is on a mono track while your balance knob is on the stereo track. So next time you're mixing, you're conscious of this and you know what you are doing. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, subscribe to my channel.